Trying to log in to your Huawei HG659 home gateway modem to change your Wi-Fi password or check your settings, but not sure where to start? You've come to the right place. Logging in is a simple process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Find Huawei router default settings. Flip your Huawei router or modem. First, get default login IP address and default username password along with default Wi-Fi SSID and password printed on the router sticker backside or bottom side. Step 2. Connection and log into router. First, connect your Huawei modem or router using Wi-Fi or wired connection from PC or laptop. Now open any web browser and access Huawei router or modem default IP address 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.100.1 and press Enter key. Wait while router login page loading. Now enter the default username and password from that sticker on your router and press Login button to login. Congratulations! You've made it into your router's administration panel. This is where you can control everything. Change wireless SSID and password. Now go to Home Network from top menu or tap Setup WLAN icon. Now go to WLAN settings from left side menu. Now click on WLAN encryption to expand wireless settings. Now change wireless SSID for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz and set a new Wi-Fi password. After change Huawei default SSID and password, press Save button from bottom right corner to confirm settings. Change Huawei router login password. Go to Maintenance option from top right corner. Then go to Account Management from left side menu. Under Modify Login Password option, press Edit button. And you'll get option to change username and password. Now provide old password that you use for login. Create new password and confirm new password and press Save button. After change your Wi-Fi SSID and password, you need to connect all your Wi-Fi device with new SSID and password. You're now in control of your home network. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching.